Hey, look out, man. You ready? He ready, y'all. You on my YouTube channel, ain't you? Look Out Racing. You ain't on there? Oh, man, I thought you was on there, man. You ain't been wanting to see your car make a pass or nothing? Oh, you ain't got time? Well, shoot, that's a bit, man. I like your car anyway. It look good. Oh, there go that car. I'm betting against him. Ooh. He's a little aggressive, though. I do like when... I like that. Hold on, let me go over there. Hey. Ooh, wee. Y'all picked the wrong car. The internet picked the wrong car. Y'all picked the wrong car, man. Golly. That's why he ain't got time for social media, y'all. Oh, you ain't got time? Cause the old man don't play. That old man don't play. He ain't got time to get on show. He trying to whoop turbo cars with Nitrous. With 2 bottles in there. I was trying to figure out why he ain't have no time. Oh, you ain't got time? I don't have time for you too. Oh, okay, I see why. You're in the garage. You're in the garage, y'all, trying to figure this shit out. How the hell I'm gonna beat a turbo? He love that button too. Y'all see how he was playing with it? Wow. I like that too. He know I like. He don't know I like it, but I like it. Hey, y'all, I want y'all to play with y'all Nitrous button. Like, you know him?
Can't do that, bro.
Oh, okay, y'all.
So I wish I had one.
Yeah, play. I want y'all to play with y'all button like.
Can't do that, bro.
Like he play with his. Yeah, do that. So I can smile. I want a grin and shit.
Can't do that, bro.
Yeah, I want a grin. I like when they hit that button like that. Right lane for the win, y'all. Oh, you ain't got time? Oh, shit, he got some juice over there, y'all. Dang. He got that thing running. What kind of motor is that? Taking that kind of damage. Oh, you ain't got time? Hey, look out, y'all. This is my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. It's going down. Yeah, I got you on there. You all y'all. You on there too, man. Yeah, so all y'all, you want to put your shout out in?
I've got a YouTube channel.
Okay, she got a YouTube channel, y'all.
LACEY BLAIR.
Who? What is it?
LB Motorsports.
LB Motorsports. So you got a motor? Small block or big block?
A diesel.
Diesel?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Man, what you call that? That's his own motor. Is diesel small block or big block? That's a that's a medium block. Yeah, you got a medium block. Okay, yeah, you got a medium block with a turbo. Yeah, she twin turboing, y'all. You got that tune and that intake?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she got everything, y'all. Y'all better watch out for her. Y'all gotta watch out for her. Oh, LACEY BLAIR. That's you, Miss LACEY BLAIR. That's what that stand for. I got about 18 people on here talking about that's LACEY BLAIR. Miss, they already know you on here. Hey, y'all, we got LACEY BLAIR in the building. Trying to act like she ain't famous, but she up here at XRP with her diesel.
Sometime with my truck, so maybe I'll see you again.
Oh yeah, when you coming back?
We are out of town like the next 3 or 4 weeks, but sometime in July, yeah.
Where you gonna go? Oh, okay. All right, we got LACEY BLAIR. She gonna be.
Yeah, we'll be back in July.
Damn. Yeah, nah, that's a diesel. She got a diesel. Yeah, she got a twin turbo. Yeah, them some good. They last long. Yeah, you gotta get that tune on it right. Once you get that tune with twin turbo, you can pull anything. Go out of town. 300,000 miles ain't nothing. Yeah. You can pull a load with that. Make sure you tell your friend. Here go a race coming up, y'all. Hog Wild. Yeah, we got Hog Wild, old school, Nitrous versus my boy OMAR. He got all the computer tune stuff. He got the Look At Racer shirt on. Good luck to him. We wish you the best of luck, man. You going against a Nitrous G-body. It's a grudge. Here go the grudge race right here. Okay. Where you at? Hey! Where y'all betting at? Let's see something. All right, y'all, here we go. Boy, he cut an impeccable light. That light he cut. Golly. Boy, he cut a light so mean. Hey, what happened?
With what?
That race.
Shit, Marcus.